Hi there, this is the default registration page for WooCommerce. However, the problem with this page is that anyone can come in and use a bot or a software that can make hundreds of accounts on your WooCommerce website. And the flip side of this is that it will put load on your server, which can make your website down or it can cause a DDoS. Now, what we need is protection. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can protect your WooCommerce registration page with the help of hCaptcha. All I have to do is go ahead to my WordPress dashboard. I'll hover on Swift Commerce and I'll click on Swift Commerce. It will open up the dashboard in the new tab. And right here inside the dashboard, I have to click on spam. I'll click on reCAPTCHA. After selecting reCAPTCHA, you can see here that the CAPTCHA provider is already selected and set to hCaptcha. There are multiple providers, but I've already selected hCaptcha. And in order to enable hCaptcha on your WordPress website, all you have to do is add site key and secret key. These two keys can be taken from hCaptcha website directly for free. Now, in order to add it on my registration page, all I have to do is go ahead to settings page, and here in the protected pages section, there are multiple options with me. I have to click on WordPress registration, or I can click on WooCommerce registration. This will enable the hCaptcha on the WooCommerce registration page. I have to click on save changes, and after saving changes, I can go ahead to my registration page for the WooCommerce, refresh the page, and you will be able to see hCaptcha added in the right place. So this is the login. I click on register, and you can see here that the registration process is now protected by hCaptcha. And that's how easy it is to add hCaptcha integration into your WooCommerce registration page with the help of Swift Commerce.